Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Troy boy. Kagigising lang niya. Come on. Wake up. It's a graduation day. You say, it's coronation day. Good morning, madam. Good morning. Why did you sleep in the couch?
Because my bed was too comfy.
Huh?
My bed was too comfy.
Your bed is too comfy, but then you moved to the couch?
Yeah.
Yes, because she was getting it too close to her stuffies.
Okay, well, go lay down in mommy and daddy's bed then. Lay down beside daddy. Get up. You have school.
Hey, Mom.
Good morning, kuya.
Guess what we have today?
What?
Fun Friday. And guess what that means?
What?
No work.
No
today.
work?
We got to do all we do.
Who do you think who's gonna be at school Monday? Guys, hatid na natin si Troy sa school. Ay, sila pala. Look at me, turn around. Pogi ng bebe ka. Let me take a picture of you over there. Go. Ang pogi ng bebe ko ah. Sana lang eh. Look at mama.
Hi.
Alright, let's go.
Mom.
Let's go, go.
Shut up.
Hi guys. So, naka-dress tayo for today's graduation. And Sissy, look at me. Stand up. Oh, diba? Ignore nyo yung mess, ha? Ayan. Tapos, guys. So, ito. Ayan. Ha? Meow. Ha? No, we are not bringing Meow. Go. So, guys, inutusan ko si daddy na bumili ng balloon. Ayan. And then, we have some ice cream cake. Ayan. Nakalagay, ano ba yun? Congratulations, Troy. So, we're almost ready to go. We're just waiting for daddy. So, yeah. Pero nakaganto ko, guys. Hindi ako comfortable na pupunta ako sa school na walang Yeah! We're on our way, guys, to school! You excited, Daddy?
Yes.
There's Sissy. Sissy!
Hi.
Hi.
Mom's coming too, but she's still in front.
Yeah, Momo is in the front of us. So, yeah. I know, I don't know why I put too much makeup on myself. I know I'm gonna be crying. I know that for sure. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I don't have a tissue. Oh, I do. There it is. We're gonna be prepared. Meron tayong tissue. I know I'm gonna cry. Kasi, yeah, I know I'm gonna cry. So, we're here. Yes. Oh, congrats! Kasi, guys, 5th grader din mag-graduate. So, ayan. Ang cute niya. I'm gonna put Charlie later there.
Troy Robinson, faithful attendant, happy helper, hard worker, fantastic friend, read numerals 0 to 10, counts to 100, highest academic achievement, pleasant attitude, and kindness award. Oliver Wiley, happy helper, hard worker, and
Come in the kitchen.
Wait.
Are you ready? I'm looking at the light so I can't see it.
You're looking at the light.
Eyes closed.
Guys, we are done! Actually, nandito na kami sa bus stop. Getting Kuya Chad and Kuya Kailob. Sese!
Time to reset the song.
Stop! So guys, oh my gosh! Sobrang pagdating namin doon, medyo sobrang marami ng tao kaya hindi na masyado nakapag-vlog. But everything was perfect, as in talagang yung teacher ni Troy, it went up above and beyond talaga. So ito yung ating graduating. Hey! Psst, hi! How was being graduate for in pre-K? It's good? Can you guys believe that Troy's graduate na ng pre-K? Stop, Natalia! Troy, stop it.
Mom, can you hurry up?
Alright, we're gonna go pick up Kuya here sa bus stop and then,
Mom, can you hurry up?
I'll tell you
I
guys
want to play
everything
this
later.
song.
Kasi gusto nila mag-listen to music. Ayan, nakakaloka tong dalawang to.
It's the ship one.
Ay, naku.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Belly of Tea. The winds blew up her.
Hi guys! OMG yung light. So, nakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga natanggap ni Troy. So, ito siya guys, galing sa teacher ni Troy. Okay, take it off. And then, itong
arms are stuck. Mommy, my arms are stuck.
So, ito guys, yung folder na to is nandito lahat ng mga pictures. Hindi naman lahat, but may mga pictures dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. May mga ibang pictures dito eh. Ito yung first day ng, ito yung meet the teacher. Ayan. Pinicturean kami. Nagkaroon kami ng meet the teacher. Kasama sila. Ayan. Tapos, ito rin yung, I think this is, I don't know if this is the first day of school. Hindi ko alam kung first day of school to. Hindi to first day ng school eh. Tapos, ang dami nilang pina-copy na mga pictures ni Troy. Ang dami nilang siguro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na copy. Ayan. Kasama yan. As in siya guys, talagang napakaganda ng pagkakagawa nitong folder na to. Ito para sa inyo. Pero guys, may mga dito na hindi ko na ipapakita kasi may kasama siya ng mga classmates niya. So, Yung iba lang dito na ano, hindi ko papakita. Ay, papakita ko pala. So, ayan. Yan, meron kami another pictures. Tapos, ito yung meet, ito yung kanyang meet the teacher yan eh. Yung pictures na yan. Kinuha siya. Tapos, ayan. And then, hindi ko alam paano ito gawin. Ayan siya natutulog. Pinipicturean habang natutulog. Oh, ayan siya, oh. Ang daming picture. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan. Basta punong-puno to, guys, ng ano. Tapos, ayan. Oh, ayan si Troy. And then, si Troy, yung first day of school. And then, ito yung ano, grandparent day. Kasama niya si lola niya, tsaka si lolo niya. Tsaka yung mga kuya. Tapos, ayan sila, yung fall. Ayan, ito si Troy. Oh. Oh. Tapos, ito yung lunch nila. Kaya kumakain sila. 'Di ba? Oh, tas nung Halloween. Tas ayan, basta. Tapos yung first, ano siya, student of the month siya nung ano ba to? September? Hindi ko makakita eh. Yeah, September ata. Tapos ayan si Troy, ayan. Pajama day yan. Tapos yung gumawa sila ng Christmas, ano, gingerbread house. Ayan. Tapos, yung, ano ba to? Valentine's dance. Ayan. So, ito naman, ipakita ko naman sa inyo guys, yung, mga natanggap ni Troy dito sa paper bag. So, ito, nakakuha siya nitong teddy bear na nakasign ang mga kaklase niya. I mean, nakalagay lahat ng name nila dito. Ayan. Talagang, above and beyond. Ayun pala yun. Above and beyond talaga yung ginawa ng teacher nito ni Troy talaga. Tapos, merong ganito. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang full of candy sa loob. Ayan, may laman. As in talagang above and beyond talaga. Meron pa as in mas ano pa talaga guys. Tapos ano pa ba yun? Hoy, nasa na yung bag? And then guys, ito, ayan, yung mga maliliit na ganito. As in talagang sobrang above and beyond talaga yung ginawa ng teacher ni Troy ngayon. And then ito pa guys, lahat kami nagulat. As in, lahat kami nagulat. Sabi niya, inano niya sa mga kids na yung surprise niya para sa kanila and kung ito pa pala. Ito yung pictures ni Troy. Tignan niyo, ang cute. Oh, di ba? May ano talaga, may pa ganito pa oh. Anyways, na ano, tag nito. Pag maging behave sila or something, or sabi ng teacher nila, pag maging mabait sila na magaling sila, sabi niya ganon, magkakaroon sila ng surprise. So, as in talaga kami naman, surprise? Anong surprise yan? Ganyan. So, nagulat talaga kami, guys. As in, my gosh, guys, alam niyo ba kung ano? 14 pieces na bike. As in, bigay nila isa-isa sa mga bata. As in, sobrang ano siya. As in, talagang, oh my gosh. As in, talagang ano. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung bike ni Troy na galing sa teacher niya. Oh my gosh. At saka guys, meron palang medal si Troy. Ayan. May medal ang bata. Outstanding student. Diba? Umulan guys, umulan. So, ito siya. Nandito siya sa labas kasi wala naman kaming ano. Ayan siya guys, oh. So, si Troy ang nag-drawing niyan. Kaya pala, meron silang pa-drawing na ganyan. May pa-letter silang ganyan. para pala dyan sa bike na yan. Tignan nyo yan. As in like, above and beyond, 'di ba? As in, nagulat kami. Pero, medyo malaki to kay Troy kasi 18 inches na size siya. Tapos, umiilaw pa yan. Oh my gosh. Paano ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Basta ano siya, umiilaw siya guys. As in. Kaya, ayan talaga. Talagang above and beyond ang ginawa. Tignan mo, hindi pa nga nagagamit. Nabasa na. Putarikis na yan. Ano ba yan? Kailangan ilipat natin. Ilipat natin to para hindi mas lalong baka masira to. Kawawa naman. Kabibigay lang eh. Ito na guys. Ilagay. Mababasa pa din eh. Pero okay lang yan. Ayan. Diyan na lang natin nilagay. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda niya. Grabe. O, diba? Like, nagulat din ako. As in, kami talaga lahat nagulat. Diba? Kung akalain mo, ang mahal niyan. Lalo na kung ganyang kalaki. 18 inches na bike. Dahil yung yung bike ni Chad tsaka ni Caleb is 18 inches. So, ano yun? Nasa $100 something yun. Oh, akalain mo yun? Tapos siya, bumili 14. 14 na bike. O, diba? Like, what the heck? Diba? Nakakaano lang, nakaka-proud. Kaya ako naman tuloy meron akong bibibigay sa teachers nila din actually. Pero dahil nga dito sa above and beyond niya na to, parang sabi ko parang kulang itong bibigay natin Kaya parang I wanna give something else. Like some more. Dadagdagan natin yung ibibigay natin sa teacher. Kasi ang last day nila sa school is Tuesday. So, pwede kong ibigay sa Monday yung gift bag nila kasi awards day ni Kuya Chad tsaka ni Kuya Caleb. So, kaya tomorrow, I might need to go somewhere parang gusto kong kumuha ng like gift card. Diba? Like $50 gift card. $50? Pwede na ba yun? Ewan ko, basta. I just wanted to get something. Diba? Like, nakaka-touch. But anyway, so ayan. Sobra. Oy, how does it feel to be graduate? Good? Did you love your bike? Pinaiyak ako ng batang ito, guys. Kumanta na sila ng You Are My Sunshine, My Only... yan. Nung narinig ko na yan, ay, wala na. Sabi ni Chad, Mommy, are you crying? Sila, Chad, tsaka si Caleb, nandun din kasi sila dahil pinalabas sila. Dahil, yung mga may kapatid na gagraduate, pwede silang manood. So, pinalabas si Chad tsaka si Caleb. So, nakita nila ako, Mama, you crying? Talaga umiyak ako. May video si asawa ko na umiiyak ako. Nakakaloka. But, I can't believe, guys, na yung aking, na nasubaybayan nyo, na lumaki, ngayon is graduating na ng pre-K. O, diba? Graduate na siya ng pre-K. As in, like, simula nung buntis ako sa kanya, nanganak, nag-birthday, nag-first birthday, ngayon graduate na ng pre-K, magkikinder na siya, guys. OMG, as in like, parang like nasubaybayan nyo talaga yung paglaki ng mga anak ko. Except kay Chad tsaka kay Caleb. Pero, nasubaybayan nyo pa rin kasi nag-start akong mag-vlog. I think Chad was 3 or 4, parang mga ganon. And 10 years old na po siya ngayon. O, diba? And si Caleb naman, sobrang maliit pa siya nun. Parang like 2 years old. Parang ganon. Ay, hindi. Oo, parang 2 years old na siya nun. Yeah. Oh my gosh. But anyway, as in like, But anyway, si Daddy is buying some pizza for us kasi jutoms na kami. And hindi kami nakapag nakapag eat out kasi kailangan ni daddy pumasok ng work. So, yun. But, he's buying pizza. So, what happened?
Kid's phone died.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking with you every